Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share one of the most important topic of ethics chapter number 21, that is consumer movement and ethics. Consumer movement and ethics. This is a lecture number 40 and this topic already appeared in June 2018 examinations, which is carries 5 marks. So very important for your examination point of view. High chances are there it may come in your upcoming examinations, so focus need to be given in this topic. So let's get started without wasting any further time, right? So as we know that business ethics is gaining importance because of the growth of the consumer movement, right? Then gone are the days when the consumers can be taken for ride by the unscrupulous business activities. Unscrupulous business activities. Unscrupulous means what? Unscrupulous means having or showing no moral principles. Having or showing no moral principles. Or you can say simple, not honest or fair. On principles कहा जाता है, और you can say unethical, right? So unscrupulous means having or showing no moral principles, So gone are the days when the consumer can be taken for ride by the unscrupulous business by their false propaganda and false claims, unfair trade practices. ये सब करके बिजनेस को रन किया जाता था पहले, राइट? जिसके वजह से क्या होता था, इट विल नॉट सर्वाइव सो लॉन्ग and also business suffers huge loss, right? And nowadays the consumers are more aware of their right and well informed. Nowadays consumers are more aware of their right and well informed, as well as well organized. So in that sense now they are more organized and hence cannot be cheated easily, as they are more aware of the market conditions or the current scenarios. So they are more organized and hence cannot be you can say cannot be treated easily, right? So to take actions against those businessmen who indulge in bad business practices. Indulge means you can say allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of, allow someone to enjoy something which is as per their intention, So they take actions against those businessmen who indulge in bad business practices, right? They boycott poor quality as well as harmful and high prices and you can say counterfeits means made in exact imitation of something, valuable with the intention to deceive, or defraud, or you can say fraudulent imitation of something else, right? So counterfeit means what? Counterfeit goods means made in exact imitation of something valuable with the intention to deceive or defraud, or in simple you can say a fraudulent imitation of something else, right? Counterfeit goods. Then therefore the only way to survive in business is to be honest and fair. बिजनेस में सर्वाइव करने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही रास्ता है, वो है ऑनेस्ट एंड फेयर. अगर ऑनेस्ट एंड फेयर हो गए कस्टमर के साथ तो फिर आपका बिजनेस लॉन्ग टर्म जा सकता है विथ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, राइट? So consumer forum and consumer associations are more active and vocal now. consumer forum and consumer associations are more active and vocal now. So you can we do such unscrupulous activities nowadays. So consumer movement and its ethics plays significant role for a business organization, right? So this is it all about consumer movement and consumer and ethics. Very important topic. You just need to practice it at least 4 to 5 times for better clarification and understanding. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support and happy studying.